Ever thought about what's in your deodorant? Today, you're in for a treat as we walk through an easy recipe to make natural deodorant at home. Homemade deodorant can be a game changer. It helps us bypass harmful chemicals and allergens, often present in store-bought versions. Plus, it's a fantastic way to save money and reduce our plastic footprint. Best of all, this deodorant is suitable for all skin types, making it a versatile choice. Now that we understand the benefits, are you ready to learn how to make your own natural deodorant? First, gather the necessary ingredients. Don't worry, they're all simple and easy to find. We'll start with half a cup of coconut oil, a key player in our recipe. It's not just for cooking. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer and gives our deodorant a smooth, spreadable consistency. Next, we have quarter cup of baking soda. This is our deodorant's powerhouse as it neutralizes odors, leaving you fresh all day. Our third is a quarter cup of arrowroot powder. This natural product helps absorb moisture, keeping you dry. If you're unable to find arrowroot powder, an equal quantity of cornstarch is a fine substitute. Lastly, we add 10-15 drops of essential oils. These are not only for scent, but also for their antimicrobial properties. You can choose your favorite, but tea tree, lavender, or peppermint oils are popular choices. Remember, quality matters. Opt for organic and unrefined versions of these ingredients whenever possible. With these ingredients ready, we're all set to start making our natural deodorant. Now it's time to get to the fun part, making the deodorant. Our adventure begins with the humble coconut oil. We're going to melt it down, but don't get too hasty. We're aiming for a gentle melt, not a volcanic eruption. So take your time, keep the heat low, and stir it gently. You'll know it's ready when it's liquid and clear, like a tropical lagoon. Once your coconut oil has fully melted, it's time to introduce it to its new best friends, baking soda and arrowroot powder. These two are the dynamic duo of our deodorant, helping to absorb moisture and keep you feeling fresh. Start by adding the baking soda and whisk it in until it's fully incorporated. Then, do the same with the arrowroot powder. Make sure to break up any clumps and keep stirring until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. Now, here's where the magic happens. It's time to add the essential oils. These are the key to customizing your deodorant to your liking. Whether you want a calming lavender scent, a refreshing citrus burst, or a cool minty vibe, the choice is all yours. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a few drops and adjust to your liking. Stir them in thoroughly until your mixture is beautifully scented and well combined. At this point, your natural deodorant is almost ready. But we're not quite done yet. Now, we have to let it cool. This is crucial because it allows the mixture to set and the ingredients to fully meld together. You can pour it into an empty deodorant stick or a small jar, whichever you prefer. Then let it sit until it's completely cool and solid. This may take a few hours, so be patient. It will be worth the wait. And just like that, you've made your very own natural deodorant. It's that simple. It's not just about smelling fresh. It's also about knowing what you're putting on your skin. And let's not forget, it's a savvy move for your wallet too. So, why not give it a try? You might just find that homemade deodorant is just what you've been looking for. Thank you for watching.